Right, so these are the steps, right? First step, sketch the line, right? We need to know that dividing point between the shading and the not shading. Okay, if it's a greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, then make it a solid line. If it's not, if it's a greater than or a less than, use a dashed line. Right? That's, again, just like on a number line, that's like open circle, closed circle. Right? Then we got to figure out, where's the shading go? Right? If it's solved for y, then you can tell right away. If it says y greater than or y greater than or equal to, that means the shading goes above the line. If it's less than or equal to, the shading goes below the line. But they're not always solved for y. If they're not solved for y, then you can test a point like we did. Right? If you test a point and it leads to a true statement, shade that side of the line. If you test a point and it leads to a false statement, shade the other side of the line. That's the basic steps for sketching the graph.